Imphal Market Committee has strongly condemned the reported armed attack on Naga civilians along IT road between Makuyasang and Thanamba Naga in Kangpokpi district on August 27. According to its press note, the committee alleged that armed cadres of KNAP, KNAF and KRA were involved in the attack. It demanded an impartial investigation, including into the alleged command responsibility of Jangboy Kibgan, identified in the statement as Home Secretary of KNAF-UPF. The committee held the state government accountable for failure to adequately protect civilians. It demanded immediate identification and arrest of the perpetrators, stronger security along the IT road, and also called for review of the government's approach towards armed groups. The committee urged the Government of India, Manipur government and security agencies to restore the rule of law and ensure safety of civilians travelling along the IT road.